Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make radish and walnut chutney or Muje Doon Chetin. This chutney is made in every household in Kashmir with a very few ingredients. It tastes amazing and has an intense nutty flavor paired with radish and green chilies. So let's get started. For making this I have taken 2 medium-sized radish. I have grated them and squeezed out the water. Walnuts I have taken around a cup, soaked in water for around 2 to 3 hours. Green chilies 8 to 9 chopped, or you can adjust according to your taste. Mint I have taken 1 teaspoon dried, you can take fresh also. A pinch of black cumin seeds, a tablespoon of curd, that's optional. You can skip it also. And salt I have taken 1.5 teaspoon. Now in a blender I have taken grated radish and I'll grind it. And then in a blender I will grind walnuts and then add chopped green chilies. So to this walnut and green chili paste I will add blended radish. And add dried mint leaves, salt, grind, and here the base chutney is ready. Now in a bowl I have taken out this chutney and I'll add curd. Curd is optional. If you feel it's quite moist you can skip curd. And then I'm adding cumin seeds. You can add cumin seeds while grinding also, but I'm adding here because it gives a good flavor. Mix properly and the chutney is ready. Manually also to maintain the crunch of walnuts. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. I have already done a video on Wazwan style walnut chutney that I'll be leaving a link below in the description box. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.